Hey everyone, back to you into today's video doing the 5-day forecast. Today having a detailed look at weather in the next 5 days across the British Isles, starting off very unsettled. It's going to gradually get less and less wet day by day really over the next few days. So by the time we get through to Monday, the end of 5-day forecast, I think we're looking at high pressure beginning to build back in, and actually next week may see quite a bit of dry weather. Before I get on with that though, just to say about the ads, there's links to articles sitting underneath the weather video here on my homepage at gazobis.com. If you have a browse through the widget, see if there's any articles that you're interested in, you'll be able to click through and go off and read those articles when you finish at gazobis.com, of course. And at the same time, you'll be able to support the website. Thanks so much for doing that. The websites that we're using for the 5-day forecast, we've got the radar pitch here from the weatheroutlook.com. We've got some charts at the end coming from Weather Outlook. We've also got charts for Weathercentre.de. You can find a link to both of those websites on my links page. So this is today's rather showery and wet-looking radar picture. We've got quite a lot of showers across the country, particularly down in the southeast and out to the west as well. In between, not too many, more scattered, but I think we'll find more showery bursts moving up from the south and the west through the course of this afternoon. Here's today's lots of pressure chart. High pressure's gone. The high pressure that we had through September, no sign of it now. It's actually right over there towards the Black Sea. We're under low pressure here now at 980 millibars. So it's going to be an unsettled day with showers along as spells of rain. Showery bursts of rain really coming up from the south across much of Ireland, England and Wales, and some of those showers will be heavy, maybe giving locally torrential downpours this afternoon in one or two places. At the same time, bright skies will be edging up from the south in towards some other parts of the country. Now, Scotland's going to be mainly dry, away from the very far north of Scotland, where we're still clinging on to Monday's rain, can you believe? Weather front's got stuck up there, and it's been atrocious for eastern and northern Scotland for a long time. It's still going on for the very far north of Scotland. Temperature today, somewhere between around, say, 11 and 17 degrees. Overnight, the low pressure is in control. I can say quite breezy. I think we'll find the worst of the rain dying away through the course of this evening, and really the rain will die back towards the coast. Many places will become dry overnight. It's not going to be a cold night with that breeze going, so we're going to see temperatures of around 5 to 10 degrees. The low pressure is over the top of the country really as we're moving through into Thursday. The isobars are opening out a little bit, so we'll lose the breeze. It'll mean the showers become more slow moving, and I think after a dry and bright start we'll find a lot of showers developing through the course of Thursday afternoon. Some of them will be heavy with hail and thunder. Now some places will miss them stay dry. Best chance of that probably the southeast of England, but I think there'll be a lot of showers around tomorrow, heavy and thundery in places. Temperatures between around say 12 and 17. Going through to Friday, very little change, but that low pressure is weakening a little bit, so despite that it's still quite a showery day. I think the showers will be somewhat lighter on Friday, more scattered and more confined to the northwest. I think the south and the southeast has a better chance of staying mainly dry. Temperatures on Friday again somewhere between around 12 and 18 degrees, so just lifting up maybe a degree on Friday. And that's really the process as we go into the weekend really. The low pressure is over the country, but it's gradually filling, it's gradually weakening, going more towards a calm actually, which means you're neither under low pressure or high pressure. So the showers just get less and less really day by day. There will still be some showers around on Saturday, some of them still perhaps on the beefy side for parts of western Scotland, Ireland, maybe northwestern England, but they will be much more scattered and generally a lot lighter in nature. Many places, probably in the east and south in particular, staying mostly dry on Saturday. Temperatures between around 12 and 17 degrees as we go through into Sunday. The process continues, and now you can see that the low pressure is more or less gone actually. Pressure gradually lifting up, and yeah, we're coming more towards a calm rather than an area of low pressure. I think the showers will be very well scattered when we get through to Sunday, just a few around northern and western coast, many places dry with bright or sunny spells. Now we could start getting more in way of fog coming along as we go through into the weekend, so we could start off with quite a lot of mist and fog around on Sunday morning, quite chilly as well, maybe with a risk of ground frost, so that will mean the temperatures have a little bit more of a struggle actually, so temperatures may dip down a little bit as we go into the weekend, despite the fact that there'll be fewer showers around. So maximum temperatures on Sunday in the sunshine. There will be sunshine coming through once that mist and fog goes, probably just up to around 10 to 16 degrees. And then an old night on Sunday night, again with a risk of mist and fog patches in place. And by the time you get through to Monday, you'll notice that really we're starting to ridge high pressure over the country very, very weakly, but it's beginning to happen that these low pressures are starting to stall out in the Atlantic. I'm not sure how long that's going to last. I think it'll only be a few days of drier weather, but it certainly also could get a bit of a ridge starting to build on Monday. So I think we start again with a lot of mist and fog patches around on Monday morning. Quite cold as well, with ground frost in many places, but some will get going on, all that will all clear away and there'll be sunny spells coming through, but temperatures won't be anything to write home about, just 9 to 15 degrees perhaps, and another quite cold night with more mist and fog patches possible on Monday night. So a very autumnal feeling sort of weekend. If I have a look at the charts and weather outlook, here is the showery rain across much of Ireland, England and Wales today. Scotland is mainly dry, but the far north of Scotland still has that rain going on from Monday. As we go into Thursday, further showers across the country, but most of the dry weather will be in the south and southeast, but I think there'll be a lot of showers around, some of them heavy with hail and thunder. Showers getting less as we move through to Friday, but there will still be some, particularly in the north and the west. Fewer showers again on Saturday compared to Friday. A lot of dry weather, but still some showers around. Temperatures about average, but it will be getting cold, I think, at night. As we go into Sunday, showers will be very, very scattered. By then, most places will be dry. And then through to Monday, I think it's more or less a universally dry day, actually, across the whole of the country by the time we get through to Monday, with high pressure beginning to ridge in or ridge over us. But quite cold at night, with risk of mist and fog patches and ground frost as well. So in summary, well, we're starting off very unsettled with quite a bit of rain coming across the country. Very gradually, day by day, the showers will get less. By the time we get through to the end of the 5-day forecast period, it'll be mainly dry. Temperatures about average, but turning a bit chilly, particularly at night, with mist and fog by the time we get through to weekend. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.